Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Lenovo Tab K11 Plus and Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Lenovo Tab K11 Plus comes with 11.45 inches IPS LCD display, and the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus comes with 11 inches TFT LCD display. Hardware features. Both two tablets are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Lenovo Tab K11 Plus comes with 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. And the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. Next, compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.